In this tutorial, we will cover how to add a connection to the connection library in DataSync. To begin, click Connect Data Source and choose a data provider. In this example, we are using Dynamics. Enter in any required credentials and choose an entity to connect to. For this example, we are connecting to account leads. Now click Connect and Create Library Connection. This opens up a connection library window where you'll need to type in a name for your connection. Click OK once you are ready to proceed. Now, if we go to our connection library window and click Refresh, our new connection is now available. If we expand the folder, we can see all of the available entities we can connect to. You can connect to these by either drag and dropping onto your source and target, or right-clicking and choosing Connect to Source or Connect to Target. You can also preview the data contained within this entity.